I know where the other one is. He's trying to get to his
The other
teammate
one's
right
at
now.
215.
No, the guy's down here. I knocked one, and the other one,
I'm helping you. Where?
he's in his building with him now.
What color?
It's got a green door. It's the closest building
I
to us,
see it.
one
I
story.
see it. Yep.
Let's go take him. I knocked one, the other one jumped out of a 2-story to go to him.
That other squad I was fighting across the street ran right to left, so they're
Okay.
kind of back to our right now.
They picked the fight with the wrong guys. Building. Building to the left, second story.
Knocked one outside back.
There's another one inside the second story of this building. I don't have a grenade to throw at him.
Killed the guy.
He's still in the second story of this thing.
I'm medding, dude. I can't help you for right now. I gotta get a hit. I can't help. Risk it. That's what I'm trying to say. Can't risk him too low.
Yep, it's all good. Just making sure he doesn't do anything. I don't have a grenade or I'd throw it in there. It's on the second floor.
He jumped out. He jumped out, I think.
Nope, I see him. He's dead.
Nice job, Rick.
Sorry, all I could see was the tip of his head. I was...
Somebody, it sounded like somebody jumped. Unless you fell off something.
No.
Guys, come. Oh, God, I swear to God, there's something's fucky right now.
Yeah, there could be people here. Why can't I can't vault through these? That's what the guy was trying to do. He kept jumping. I'm like, is he trying to
That's
vault?
probably what it was.
Alright, this is fucky. We gotta like hunker
Yeah,
in
moving
somewhere.
out of here. I'm going this direction because I know there's people fighting behind us, and fuck them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Make him calm. Let's
Actually, I wanna
suppress
get
just
on
over
top of
this
this.
hill.
I want to get on top of this.
Yeah,
hill right
there's
here.
someone just over it shooting suppressed.
Yep.
Left
Nope.
on a tree.
Fighting that guy instead.
He's knocked. Oh my
Guy
god.
behind a tree.
I gotta heal. I knocked the one that was shooting me though. So his teammate's gonna have to try to
There's
get to
the one
him.
I saw his teammate. I hit his teammate twice with the MK.
Sitting in adrenaline shot, then I'm with you. That's on the other side of the church we just fought at.
Nice, his buddy's behind the same tree. Got him. Both dead. Oh, behind us.
Is that at you?
Oh yeah. I laid down and I'm healing.
They're gonna be out of zone, whoever just shot at you.
It's a 2-on-2 or 2v1v1, so be ready. I'm just full of boosting right now.
Copy.
They're to the left, so they're gonna have to push to their right.
Hit one of them by the
Oh,
tree
I see him.
at 250.
I saw that guy you hit. I'm pushing the line. Hit him once. He's still up by that tree, dude. I'm pushing to get him, so he has to come through us to get to the line.
Okay.
That could just be a single.
Yeah, it could. Could be two different guys trading peaks. Oh, shit.
Yeah, I knocked him. It's not a single. He's dead.
Okay, so last one's his teammate.
Could be in town here already. Oh, nope, he's not. He's got to push.
Where'd he shoot from?
Left. Over there. Oh, he's left, right over there. He's behind this tree.
I see him. He's on that building now. He peeked the left corner.
He's low. Oh, fuck me. I played that horrible. Top corner. Nice job, Rick. Good play.
I didn't think he'd re-peek the same corner.
He heard you. He had to, I think.